even impregnated her.
I assembly.
Na ye no credit.
Abra. Ye de gusu ye mfifi mu. Na we anya me na me kokan obi na konti hene na ekase. Ento no chese bre no bre wo wiase mu no. Wiase na etua ne ka e wone ne ye boni ho. Na se wutumi aware ema ahe. Wo wi echi na asan kofa wa wunua mo antiba ana wo uncle ba we busu animu a wo se emeya me omo adanyim na obi aho nya makono biom gay ya ne me target me ami nya ya ne na kuma na me target wasa na sheho ahye ho na wo fa oh brother oh sister brother sister
yeah same
sano wono
but your crofo in so the way almost men near my house to the extent almost they start washing their dirty lanes in the public. Yeah, na hadrio.
Yeah, near corona be ade adwuma inko so abe ne den beto woni kasa kasa nso de wo kasa na me anso tache me mu a
be kan ka de enka cause we
any time kakra say am papa dia say kwamna and then I hear mu ye ne de kakra just say Emma was a someone in now, but
if I order, may order in the right way. Well, let's wait and see. Maybe honestly, me about because it's because we put our tarnishing image in TV or Catavia. I'm just hoping that it's not true. Anyways,
and I always when the assay and dream who yet send me a day. Yeah, SHS and college, I saw final year students or Munko school. When I say KNUST, SHS, Gilby.
That matter there. Some way.
Now, air one year cassette into the corona and poor. Just say, no could do any biaco and the corona in tea. Wouldn't ya but Diama? Wow, Unipa.
When I saw the video and I saw cars packed there, when they could have taken her to wherever, if you need facility or school to take care of her, and I don't know how much they know. So how many teachers who said and they were just and the students were struggling. Me my team and Shaman is you. At that point now, I'm
what but then what will pan out just quite will be fast. Yeah, ending. Now when I can't say penny for one, young color mutifi, no mutifia some dream. One on some best school. Now school number corners, the school number corners to say never far bar. Anka why no was in the uncommon form. Anka be the fear bon. Seka we party anka be the fear bon. Young bonko, corona to me went to a school. Now say dear, any time into 8 yes, red GS, Martin says GSA, headmistress on train sign. They be when train sign and Kosiaga. Headmistress in train sign investigations, here who peace investigations when Quandia, one bet to me. Now, Minister of Education, honestly, a Unify Hospital in TMSN, na so better pay.
Definitely.
President will be a strong, quite way so dear and Koyi, and Kawayak never Wayak Franfa, or Mofa Post in 2 exams. So now wait here. I know she and Koyi. Yeah, money to me, Wusa. At all. And Tiaja, Bajay.
All right, so you are. All right, let us say.
Where's the first tension? Watch my.
I don't watch. Now I'm welcome here. All right. And I see your first day on so my aboafo boy me bro Manex herbal capsules. Patro Bema doing ye am I Bema. Oh, it's about time you rediscover the youth in you. Openi baby as I say umpeni fie na du no. I say de na yes CTS kakra. Vim she denim. But what dey no Manex herbal capsules be on. And promote libido, stamina, unya sexual potency, ultimate performance. All I say, na bibia koye e di amount. Mojedre be so busu nyina so no HB rich syrup unya binomo a bibia be kama a super multivitamin tonic filled with all the essential minerals and vitamins ya unya binomo a from fefe kama pomdema panso ba wasentremu a complete vitality for the whole family ni na available in all the health shops across the country do do pa no na wa frɛ Sharp Pharmaceutical 0302 2220329 na 020 807-2107 and 0249-436756. Now do be on here piano on start Ebeka. Once again, let me remind you, say And they say, send this guy, and my customers on other mobile money networks are free on Vodafone Cash. When you send 100 cedis or less, as you already know, free. What I say, and it's been free since September 2019. Now still now it goes so free. And found it the number of times I'll be sending and the amount of money I'll send it. The charge and our transfer charge, free. Tibomodiana and send them more monthly. I say, they across easy. Now free on Vodafone Cash. Today now train Tratum CCR on Vodafone Cash and not any the best platform for sending money, and you don't have to worry about the charges because it is free. Just dial *110# and send money via Vodafone Cash now. Ready? I love this song, baby. A shout's going out to you, Francisca. I'll say it to you. Who feeling lonely, Anna? Baby, I come in my way feeling right. And let me quickly wish you a happy birthday, my good friend Daniel Pepra. Yep. He's a jolly good fellow. That's right. Danny Peeps, happy birthday to you, bro. Have a good one. And may the mighty one bless you. As always, yeah. I keep thinking of a former student of our AUCC. One great guy like that. Yeah. Joe, enjoy your birthday. More send me messages now. Oh, yeah, mobile study. And you may once again, my reminder saying this all Sunday, yes, you can't the amount for other mobile money networks. Free on Vodafone Cash. Channel so say send 100 cedis or less the amount for other networks. Free. Or send the amount for so Vodafone Cash now. So I know so free across easy. They are free on Vodafone Cash. What are you waiting for, Joe? Vodafone Cash is the best platform for sending money, and you don't have to worry about the charges because it is free. Just dial *110# and send money via Vodafone Cash now. Ready? Hello. I'm enjoying the music. Feeling it now. You know, be easy, for singles. Hey, Maxwell. Oh, sure. Please, what's the title of the song? It is called Lonely by Jali. Yeah. Rhythm of the Gods by GMJ, baby.